Hello students, welcome to TechBox. In this video, we are going to learn important objective questions and an exam point of view for Class 12 CBSE Computer Science with Python. Kindly subscribe and share my video with your friends and families. Let us work on the latest sample question paper which is issued by CBSE for the session 2023 to 24. Okay, this sample question paper will be available in the CBSE academic website. You can go and download it. Okay, if you don't know how to download this sample question paper, I have provided the separate video for how to download the important question papers and sample question papers and the practice papers, and I have guided you in one video in our channel, so you can go and watch and download the question paper. Okay, so let us see the section A question paper. Section A, the first question. Let us read the first question. Statement true or false. In a Python program, if a break statement is given in a nested loop, it terminates the execution of all the loops in the one go. So while you're working in the break statement in Python, so it will break only the particular loop in which we are working. Okay, it will not break the any other loops other than the break statements loop. Okay, it means that the statement in the nested loop alone will get terminated. Okay, but it will not stop the termination. It will not stop the execution of all the other loops. Okay, once again I'm reading the question. In a Python program, if a break statement is given inside the nested loop, it terminates the execution of all the loops. So they have been given that it will terminate the execution of all the loops, but it will not terminate the execution of all the other loops, but it will terminate only that loop alone. Okay, so the answer is false here. So the next question. In a table in MySQL database, an attribute A of data type varchar20 and which has the value Keshav. The attribute B of data type char of 20 and it has the value of Meenakshi. How many characters are occupied by attribute A and attribute B? So they have been asking these type of questions continuously. So what is the difference between the character data type and varchar data type? So we should know the important difference between the character and varchar data type. So the character data type, which is nothing but a fixed length character data type. For example, if you are giving the fixed length of 20, so it will occupy only 20. Okay, not less than that or not greater than that. But in varchar data type, it is a variable length character data type, so it will count and allocates the memory which is present there. Okay, here the varchar is given as 20 bytes, but it is allocating the given bytes alone. So let us see the value of both the things and we'll compare and find the value of these both. So varchar of 20, so as I have said you, it is allocating only those bytes which is present there in the value. So let us count this Keshav. So the Keshav is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters, right? So the Keshav is having 6 character variable length. So it will occupy only those length alone. Okay, it will occupy the 6 memory space. And character 20, it has the value of Meenakshi, and we can count the Meenakshi, but it will be producing the result as 20 alone. Whatever the length, whatever the byte it is. Okay, what is the length of the byte? It is none of matter. So the Meenakshi is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters, but it will not allocate that 9 characters in the memory. Okay, it will allocate only the 20 character as because the character data type is a fixed length character data type. Okay, so your answer will be option B, 6, 20, right? So let us move on to the next question. So what will be the output of the following statement? So this question I have already worked in previous videos. You can go and watch, okay, refer the previous videos. So I have given the full explanation, so you can go and watch it. So the answer for this is -244.0.